Careful.
Hey guys, welcome back to another road trip video. Today I am on my way to Ilorin. I'm meeting up with a few friends. We are going on an exploration of Ilorin and KWARA, and I'm leaving from Osogbo in the morning. So this time the timeline now is 4:37 in the morning. I'm hoping to be in Ilorin before 7 o'clock. The journey should take me around 2 hours 30 minutes, maximum 3 hours. So Ilorin, guys, it's kind of route. If you're not used to it, you hope and you pray for drivers that actually like patronize this place a lot. And I think I found one. He knows all the bad spots, the good spots, and it seems like he's a crazy driver too. 1 hour 56 to go. I'm already getting tired and stressed of driving. But 1 hour 56 for Kuku already. Let's go. This trailer has 2 of those back tires off. And I'm like, bro, let me pass, but then you want to stay in the middle of the road. And yeah, again, back on this road. I don't know if you guys remember the last time we went to Waterfall. This was like a long time video. This was the route that we took when we was coming back. KWARA officially, I think this is still, I'm trying to figure out what town or city this is, but I don't know. I think this is of KWARA. So to discover more and new places, let's get it. Ajashe. I'm not sure if the place I was earlier on is Ajashe also too, but to Ajashe. And I'm still 23 minutes away from my destination. I'm in Ilorin. This looks thick. That was a cool journey in a way, sure. Well, look, Ilorin is a beautiful place to be on. I swear. Ilorin is here. First thing first.
Guys, meet Rafia. This is who dragged me all the way from Osogbo to Ilorin.
I think claim Ilorin is
Hidden gem, and we are here to discover and rediscover the hidden gems, the city in the state. Nice tour.
So at this point we was already behind schedule, so we had to get on a bike as soon as possible and catch up with the rest of the guys because everybody is ready to leave. We have a long day ahead, so the earlier the better.
So we've already done reach Esie after passing through our 50 different towns and villages.
50k.
Like 67. It was quite a lot actually. So we're in Esie now.
Esie in Ludo.
Are you sure that's the pronunciation is here?
They will tell us later on.
Is it gravy? Oh, you don't want to take
It's a museum. That actually makes more sense. Welcome to House of Images National Museum Esie, and this is apparently like the first museum in Nigeria. This is, we're in KWARA, right? So this is KWARA. This is where we are. This is the show where I came from. Actually, we should do that with KWARA, Sha. So fortunately and unfortunately, we cannot record inside.
Yeah, so we're able to take
Pictures only.
I need you to snap me in front of the shrine. Not shrine, that's it.
Anyways, we're actually like, I feel like this is actually like a good insider to knowing the things of like artwork and like history of Nigeria.
Exactly.
I didn't know like so many like states actually have like the best states that kept from
Go.
The oral story claims that the stone were actually living beings turned to stone. The stones were discovered in 1775 by one of the villagers. Among the image is a sculpture of a king, Iyalo the hunter, and a rich man. It was said that God turned them into stone due to disobedience.
What do you guys remember from the trip?
The history is shady.
Okay.
It's a bad experience.
What was the first one? What is the second one?
The first one is
the cake.
and they're saying
We want you to bring your baking pan.
the second one is just
If you see them, they're very ugly.
and some of them don't even have legs. Some of them are half heads and heads.
God make the correct ugly things, so those things are short and ugly. But be like Yoruba people, you know, when they first do.
You don't compress.
You're not comparing like every 5 minutes.
We're in the city or in the town of Esie,
That's 2 kings.
and apparently there is 2 kings. There's one king.
So let's say it's not goodbye, but see you again. I beg you. I don't think I want to see you again.
From here we basically head to the second location, which is Omola Waterfall.
Welcome to. Wait, don't you even come to? We are back in the jungle. See trees. See money. Well, this is cashew tree. Like we're gonna. Error Omola. I don't know how long we're going to walk or how long. I feel like I can hear waterfall. Yo, we can hear waterfall, oh. We are close. I can hear waterfall, but I don't know how long we are going to check it. This shit is deep. Oh, the water is rushing fast. Yo, this thing is really scary. Oh. And apparently we came at a time when like the water is not full. So right now it's just kind of like on the regular, the mist will be like all over this place. Normally we're supposed to go somewhere there, right? 1 second, guys. We're supposed to go somewhere there, but the water is going to be sweeping us off of our feet. And it's like in my head, I just want to go to one of those locations. So they're taking us to another route that gets closer. I'm not sure how much we can enter that water because people to enter it looks scary. I won't lie to you. That water is not the playing type of water. They got this place for us. The girls just went in now. And I'm hearing them. Hey. It's not the easiest place to go. How are you feeling?
It's nostalgic, but hey, it is just. I think this is
Hey, would you? Making it. Making progress. Steep. This is. I'm sure this thing is probably like at least 400 feet. I actually like the fact that everybody here are very adventurous. Whoa! Is that where we are going? Oh, well, it seems like this is where we are going, though.
careful.
Careful!
Wow.
We made it home. Oh, but this shit is scary. You want to convince her, right? We're standing somewhere there. Somewhere there. And now we are here. Honestly, this was a good spot. I don't know why. I feel like people don't come here often. So it doesn't feel like everything is fun to do. We don't even want to enter the water, it's scary. But you guys are just there to just catch cruise, have fun, and call it a thing. The waterfall is, I said to God, this waterfall is really, really scary. That's the only thing. People to enter water, they fear me. Look at the place we have to go all the way back again. Yeah, we're going now. Small climbing. I'm out. Ade! Àti tó gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́ ní wàhálà báyìí. Ọmọ ìdòyè ẹsẹ. This thing requires brain. Oh, but apparently there's another place upstairs that we could have actually like soon. Yeah. But let's go. I believe in you. Look at you. Safety. We are actually almost at the top. We are at the top already now.
Yeah, we're at the top already.
I'm proud of you guys. Except for one lady in red. Omola. So we are in the Dolphin, KWARA State. Inside the
KWARA local government.
In
KWARA local government.
KWARA. Come on. So you
KWARA State. KWARA local government.
People can test Yoruba meaning, and I'm like, most Yoruba normally. KWARA local government. That's where we are. But we are living now. Even myself get bruises. I actually got bruises on my hand. But it's kind of chill. It's not for the weak.
So this is the end of our first day exploring the state of KWARA. We're going home right now to just get some rest, get ready for tomorrow. So next day we went to Niger River, Jebba. So if you haven't liked and subscribed, kindly do that now. When the video drops, you know not to miss it.
Yo, y'all see the chicken?